viewers, this is question and answer program on chapter 3 of human resource management. As usual, the direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. What is job analysis mainly about? A. Describing machines. B. Defining tasks. C. Reporting sales. D. Managing payroll. Answer for this question is B. Defining tasks. Question number 2. Job analysis is needed when A. Office closes. B. Jobs are created. C. Wage increases. D. Staff takes leave. The answer for this question is B. Jobs are created. Question number 3. Job content refers to dash. A. Salary scale. B. Tasks and duties. C. Dress code. D. Office size. Answer for this question is B. Tasks and duties. Question number 4. What does job content describe? A. Hearing dates. B. Tools used. C. Working conditions. D. Output volume. The answer for this question is C. Working conditions. Question number 5. A job description should include dash. A. Family info. B. Work location. C. Travel habits. D. Credit score. The answer for this question is B. Work location. Question number 6. What shows who reports to whom? A. Job log. B. Process chart. C. Org chart. D. Market chart. Answer for this question is C. Org chart. Question number 7. Job specification includes dash. A. Personal data. B. Equipment. C. Personality traits. D. Daily targets. Answer for this question is C. Personality traits. Question number 8. What is a key step in job analysis? A. Print resumes. B. Skip evaluation. C. Review papers. D. Ignore feedback. The answer for this question is C. Review papers. Question number 9. Which method involves direct watching? A. Observation. B. Diary. C. Brainstorming. D. Regression. Answer for this question is A. Observation. Question number 10. What is the drawback of interviews? A. Low cost. B. Brilliance. C. Too short. D. No feedback. Answer for this question is B. Brilliance. Question number 11. Job analysis supports dash. A. Tax reports. B. HR function. C. Billing. D. Client calls. The answer for this question is B. HR functions. Question number 12. HR planning helps with dash. A. Cutting salaries. B. Finding future needs. C. Set launch time. D. Changing office colors? The answer for this question is B. Finding future needs. Question number 13. Human resource planning asks dash. A. Where to eat. B. How many employees? C. What is the rent? D. Who to promote? Answer for this question is B. How many employees? Question number 14. What starts HR planning? A. Budgeting. B. Staff salary. C. Objectives and strategy. D. Equipment lists. Answer for this question is C. Objectives and strategy. Question number 15. A qualitative method is dash. A. Graph drawing. B. Regression. C. Delphi technique. D. Excel modeling. Answer for this question is C. Delphi technique. Question number 16. What does benchmarking involve? A. Studying others' films. B. Reading novels. C. Ignoring trends. D. Changing shifts. The answer for this question is A. Studying other films. Question number 17. Trend analysis uses dash. A. Random ideas. B. Price data. C. Past employment. A. Age reports. The answer for this question is C. Past employment. Question number 18. What is the skills inventory? A. Equipment log. B. Staff profile. C. Client review. D. Interview sheet. Answer for this question is B. Staff profile. Question number 19. HR surplus means dash. A. Extra staff. B. No funding. C. Equal demand. D. Equipment issue. Answer for this question is A. Extra staff. Question number 20. One solution to HR surplus is dash. A. Hiring more. B. Pay cuts. C. Promotion. D. Expansion. Answer for this question is B. Pay cuts. Okay, thank you viewers for attending this program. This is all about today's presentation.